Oh, yo, what the fuck is up? Little Yachty solo stepping CRETE. Boy, this dropped 51 minutes ago. Ooh, October 17th in San Diego. I'm not like that huge of a fan of Little Yachty to go check him out, but hey, you know, to some people that are really into him, you know, this could be cool. Let's check it out.
I'm on stream right now. The chat was just saying, please call Yachty right now and tell him to officially drop the freestyle.
Kai Sinets.
I got your blessing, I'll drop it.
Oh, for the freestyle. Oh, okay.
Same nigga breaking down hoes left and right. Yo, I was counting up in him on a private flight. Yo, all this chrome on my body like a medieval knight. I was fucking up a sack on that purple Sprite. Yeah, all my bitches beneficial, even told a pistol. Yeah, even blow it like a whistle, lie to officials. I drip you down in crystals if I know you're real. How you geeking out your body off a pink pill? I caught your line, Tammy, and I fuck with you still. So many properties I bought, I'm king of the hill. Fuck nigga need to learn his place before we put him in it. Stepping and swinging, I'm running shit, I might run for Senate. I got a bitch up in the kitchen.
I'm not gonna lie, yeah, when we heard this on the AMP cipher, you know, this shit was dope as fuck. It was like it was kind of chill, but it's still good enough to like listen to, you know.
When them coochie cutters, bring my doggy out that.
You did recommendations this stream. Yeah, we're gonna do recommendations. We're gonna finish at 9 though, so you know, get as much as you can. Here we go again with the ox battles. No, we're not doing ox battles. In the future maybe, but not now, dude. I just finished watching the video of you reacting to cigarettes after sex again. Yo, shout out to you, man. That shit was dope. Yeah, dude, like this week I'm going to aim to finish listening to one of their albums, hopefully by tomorrow, but we'll see.
Straight up out the gutter. We been them niggas every since position needed feeling.
Oh my god, Caro. Okay, buddy.
And I fear I didn't see her. It was just me and Dylan. It was just me and Justin. Gripping her hair while
I see we got some trolls today. Alright.
I don't like discussions. I'm too rich for fussing. Look her dead in her eyes and how that pussy bustin'. I ain't never cuffing. Bring my corner, baby doggy psyched out still. Your baby daddy broke, no need for him to ride a wheel. I put paint on my nails, bitches fucking still. It's so money in my bank that I'm spending still. Lifestyle shit get twisted, I've been living shady. I've been beating up that sack like I'm Devin Haney. I don't need a rap friend, I'm a step solo. I try anything once the lifestyle yellow. I don't wanna be posted on the blogs, I don't wanna answer calls. I did this shit for my dogs, I just beat up the mall. I just beat up
an extended version, right?
I was taking that risk, I was taking that bitch. I was flying air drakes, so I was taking that switch. Bitch, yeah. They gave me hands at 18, ain't know what to do. Fuck a sack up at a jeweler, I was going stupid. Fell in love with a teller, I don't know Q. Gotta tell my stepper no, cause he'll really do. Anywhere, everywhere, he don't give a damn. Empty the clip, reload the clip, we call it sleight of hand. My memory bad, so I'm fucking baby, I don't cam. Go take a coat, I copped RP a couple lambs. That boy's not a king, penny sold a couple grams. He ain't no gangster, grew up better than Adonis Graham.
Okay, you know?
Sus.
At least now this shit's on Spotify. Like it's especially if you're like getting high as fuck, this could be a cool song to listen to. But you know, definitely not my go-to.